Hey guys, welcome back. In previous video, we learned about how to use useState when the state is a variable, and we learned it with the string. And we also covered how to use useState when state is an object. We implemented both the way of using useState, and we saw how it was updating a state on real time. In this video, we are going to cover how to use useState when state is an array. I'm going to create a component called hookStateArray.js, and I'm going to use RFC functional component snippet. We are using useState hook, so we have to import it from React. So import useState. Let's define state of array. I have just created one const with items and set items. Since it is an array state, so initial value of the state will be empty array. Another state will be friend and set friends with the initial value Ankit. Let's modify our render function now. I'm going to add one header, add to list, an input from which value of item will be added to the list. Type of input will be text, value will be friend. On change of the input, we are going to set friend with the value event.target.value. I'm going to add one button now, add friend. On click of this button, it will call add friend to list. Let's now create add friend to list. Before creating add friend to list function, I am going to display all the item of the list on the UI. I have just created list with the name and ID which will be displaying on the UI. Let's now create add friend to list function. As you can see, I have just added one function called add friend to list, which will check whether this friend already exists in the items. If it doesn't exist, then it will add to this list. Otherwise, it will say already added. Let's now use this component in our app.js. We are going to import hookStateArray from hookStateArray and going to use in the class. Let's now see how this will look like on UI. On the UI, we can see there is a component called add to list and a button. If I add this button on list, it will say added, and if I click again on this button, it will say Ankit is already added. So I have to change this name. I've changed name, click on add friend, it will add to list. Now let me add couple of my friends. I have added my friends, and all these friends are being added based on the hooks. We have seen in this video how we can update array state using useState in the function. That's all for this video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next videos. In the next videos, we are going to use useEffect and we will see how effect hook work. Thank you, guys.